You may remember this image from the goldenrod lesson that I put on earlier. This is where it started heading because I wasn't feeling very inspired around the painting once I had the goldenrod done. So I just started playing around with more color, flipping it around from time to time, and just trying to decide, which direction this piece was going to go in. And I was basically just having fun with the paint. And I believe that even at the end, you'll still see a hint of that goldenrod in there. Not just the leaves, which are now in the right-hand side towards the top, but also there are some little speckles of the dots, the greenish yellow dots from it that still remain in the finished piece as well. But as I'm working, I'm trying to think about three things. Is it unlabored? Any place that looks labored needs to be corrected. Is it integrated, which means are the colors looking like they're going together and balanced? And then finally, overall balance. Do the colors balance? Do the shapes balance? And you'll see that the painting keeps getting turned around. That band of little stripes along the edge have moved from the left where it is now, from the bottom to the top. But this is it. Hope you enjoy it.